Most attractive black shirt outfit ideas for men. Our outfit number 1. Black shirt with white pant and black shoes. Outfit number 2. Black shirt with white pant and brown shoes. Outfit number 3. Black shirt with off-white pant and brown shoes. Outfit number 4. Black shirt with blue jeans and black shoes. Outfit number 5. Black shirt with white pant and black shoes. Outfit number 6. Black shirt with gray pant and black loafers. Outfit number 7. Black shirt with gray pant and black shoes. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.